our crew has definitely dropped this trailer just a little bit deep. And you can tell, I mean, the boat's completely floating. It's not getting any support from the trailer. It's going to be a difficult one to load like this. So our guy's getting on the boat. I'm not sure what he's going to do here, though. So he's grabbing a line. I guess he's going to try and bring it back over to the dock, but... Oh, hang on, bro. And now it's really pushed off. He can't make that. Oh! He does make it. I thought for sure there was no way he was going to make that jump, but he gets the push off, and he's going to push the boat back over toward the dock. But, I mean, I'm surprised, and he did it without injury, which is a little surprising there as well. And our crew is backing up into one, but everybody's getting pushed off of one today. One is designed only for skis today. They've got it noted on the boat. Watch out! Hang on, bro! Oh! And it was close. Oh, somebody's arguing in the background. Here we go. One of those 79th Street fights. Well, I mean, probably not a real fight. We don't see that as much as you would think at the ramp. Just some people arguing, getting a little boisterous. And our crew of the boat's looking back. They're actually coming in from the channel, kind of seeing what's going on back there. And of course, as soon as they start yelling, somebody's going to turn the music up, which is going to make it more difficult for us to hear. But our crew's going to come in, try and land this on one, but they're going to get ran off of one. Security's been down here all day running every boat that tries to go to one off, as 1, 7, and 8 are skis only today. And here we go. Our guys are arguing about something. They must have had a close call, because the one guy's yelling, he didn't see him, and they are not having it. But the joys of the boat ramp. And our crew almost wound up in the trees. But here we go. We're going to make another reapproach and see if we can get this one to land a little better. And he's going to choose to line it up for 5. And we don't really have... There we go. I'm like, we don't have any lines or fenders out, but it looks like we have them. They're just on the wrong side, so we're going to have to switch them real quick. And we're kind of taking our sweet time, but Cap's not. Cap's going for it. So our guy in the bow looks like he's ready to roll, but we've kind of came in a little bit sideways. And the guy... Oh! We're going to hit the dock. Cap's saying something to our guy up in the bow, like, bro, hang tight for a second. He's going to try and pull it back in, but you don't want to pull this one back in too tight. You're going to get the bow right under the dock, bro. Our guy in the stern is just taking his sweet time. So Cap's going to have to try and get this one back over. It looks like he's got it in reverse, trying to swing it back around a little bit. Goes for the toss. No, we've got the miss. Toss number 2, not even close. And Cap's had enough, and he's going to leave the helm and go onto the dock. Which is just funny that Cap's the one doing that. Anybody else could have just went up there. Oh, and our guy's going to nail it on the 3rd hit, though, anyway. See, Cap, if you'd have waited just a few more seconds, my man would have had you taken care of. And our crew's waiting for a lane to open up. And I mean, we've already got lines and everything set out, so they originally had something they were going to go for. I think they're going to try and make an approach on one, but one, once again, has been designated as ski dock. And I don't think security's going to let this one fly, but we'll see what happens. Some of the boaters have gotten away with it, and some haven't. So we're obviously switching the side our lines are on, so we're definitely making an adjustment from whatever the original plan was. And Wifey is going for the stretch, trying to get that line off. So maybe we're not going to pull it. Maybe we've decided to keep it there. After a few minutes of patiently waiting, it does look like Cap is ready to try and make a move on a dock. And he's going to come back. curious where he's going, though. So I believe 3's launching, so he's not going to go there. Oh, hang on. Cap gets a little handsy with the throttle. And he's got a good approach angle. Just got to hit it right with that throttle, bro. But I don't think he's going to 3. I actually think he's going to try and squeeze on the inside of 2. Watch out for the dock. Just misses it. And it's coming on the inside approach. And he's going to be able to get it in there. Took him a few minutes, but he finally figured out what he wanted and went for it. Oh, the jet ski issues when the tide is low. But Wifey's a little shorter than him, so it's going to be interesting to see how she's going to get up there. Oh, so she's not. She's like, nah, bro, I'm staying. So here we've got the official Miami bathing suit inspector, making sure that they have just the right amount of coverage on that suit. And I think he approves. This really is kind of like the epitome of the Miami boating lifestyle. If you ever wonder what it's like to come down to Miami and boat, picture this. This is it. I mean, the crews down here seem to really enjoy it. It still hasn't hit quite where I boat yet. Where I boat, this isn't exactly what it's like. But seems to work out well here in Miami for these crews. But my favorite part of this is Cap does all the work right here. My man left the helm to get these lines undone while he's got 1, 2, 3, 4 other people on the boat that could have probably done that part for him. But still, I mean, I guess I need my man's job, the bathing suit inspector of Miami. If there's a place to fill out an application for that one, somebody let me know. Line's tossed, Cap left the helm, he's going to kick it off and make it onto the boat safely. The solo launch with 4 other people on the boat. He's going to back out, and this crew should be on their way. But these guys will get on out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.